My name is Devidar Chatterjee. I have been collecting Ganesh pictures, cards and idols for almost last 20 years. My love to Ganesha is going day by day. So with my interest, I collected some books, periodicals, magazines about Ganesha and started reading them eagerly. In this part of the country, we never used to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi separately. For us, the Bengalis, Ganesh comes to us with his mother during Durga Puja and on the first day of Bengali New Year. That's when the businessmen worships Ganesh and do their Halkatha. So, I used to get a lot of Halkatha invitation cards from my businessmen friends, and gradually I started noticing some of them was real piece of art. I started keeping the nice ones, and thus my fascination about the design of Ganesh idol started. So, from Halkatha invitation card, I started buying Ganesh idols with unusual design and patterns. And now I have got so many that I don't have enough space to collect and keep anymore. As I mentioned, the pattern of Ganesha has so many variations. Unlike any other god, the Ganesha has a trunk. So apart from the hand and leg movement, the major experiments happened with the position and movement of the trunk. If you look now, you will get hundreds and thousands of patterns in different kind of Ganesha statue. And these are just geometric pattern. I don't agree with the fact that Ganesha's birth was first plastic surgery, but they can probably teach basics of geometry and trigonometry just by experimenting different pattern of Ganesha. I am always fascinated how the artists use their imagination and kept on creating different variations of Ganesha year after year. Not just in India, but even if you go to abroad, there are so many variations. Like in Japan, they have something called Kangite. It's a combination of Ganesha representing both Hinduism and Buddhism. Here, from the traditional stone and metal-based sculptures, the creation of Ganesh idol started with so many materials. Even I have Ganesh idol made of clay, stone, wood, brass, copper, dokra, crystal, fiber, glasses. Ganesh idols also made with ropes. As artists started experimenting with materials, they also formed Ganesha in different patterns. Ganesha the dancer, Ganesha the musician, Ganesha like a pharaoh. I never went to buying expensive statues. Though I have a few expensive ones which are made of stone and metal, I collected those from different parts of the country. I focused more on exploring how local artists are making it with clay, wood, or other basic materials. So, a lot of statues of my collection are bought from the local mela or small handicraft shops. And then my near and dear ones got to know about my collection and they started gifting me a lot of statues, wall hangings, paintings of Lord Ganesha.
The more I read, the more I realize the vastness of Lord Ganesha, and I like to continue it for the next days also.
वादवि गणपतिं भजे वादवि गणपतिं भजे वादवि गणपतिं भजे वादवि गणपतिं भजे Varanasya Hmm.